Guys, we're here kayak fishing. Got the new black bass back. We're gonna fish in these lily pads with the Texas rig. Bandito bug. See what we catch today. Fish. Okay. Drain. Oh, shiz, dude. That was quite the hit. Matt will cast to this house. Dude, there was like 3 lily pads. How did I catch the... Oh, I have a fish. I have a fish, guys. I didn't realize that. It's got a nice little dink. Honestly, it's just a nice little dink. We're gonna let her go. See, bud. Yeah, that lily pad was really aggressive. I really thought that was a lily pad. Okay, we're past the lily pads. I've got another fish already. At least I think I did. I've got one, dude. I've got another fish already. Oh, he's fighting way better. Dude, back-to-back cast. Wait, he's not bad. I don't know if you guys can see that. Back-to-back cast. It kind of looks like the same fish. Alright, guys. Back-to-back cast. Heck yeah. Don't let him go. There he goes. That's 2 fish on the board, boys. Okay. We got... Honestly, kind of what I'm thinking. Looks like I've used this before. That looks pretty good. That's the next one. Ooh, a cast. That was actually a good cast. Not being sarcastic this time. Again, oh, that's a fish. Oh, I didn't even see it. You guys see that? That's a little bass. Ooh, it's fighting good. Boat flip. That's another little bass, guys. Let him go. Heck yeah. He gobbled this thing right up. He's fighting hard too. He wanted that. Big hit. I got it. No fucking way. That was a fish. I watched him smoke it. The boat, the kayak, whatever it is. I seen it. Maybe he's still here. Oh, he's biting again. And we're in the weeds. Hopefully he doesn't come off. I don't think I have him on anymore. He bit twice. He definitely wasn't big. I'm gonna cast way out in the middle of these weeds here. See what happens. Right where he was. Oh, I just caught the fish. I've actually got him. Still got him. Oh, there he is. He's just there. It's another nice little bass here. This one's a little bit bigger. I'll let him go here. There you go. Okay, now we're right away. We're gonna cast that stock though, because I bet you lots of money that there's fish over here. See? Holy crap. I can see it. It's going pretty fast. And I don't see anything other than a turtle. Ooh, okay. Feeling good. It's like prime time. It's what, 8:30 right now? Not working. First cast. Okay. So, I just got hit. I got a fish, guys. Alrighty. Second cast of the night. We've got a fishy, baby. He's nothing big, but it's a fish. And, yeah. Come here, buddy. Alright, guys. First fish of the night. Not terribly tiny, but not big by any means. Second cast. I'll let him go. See you, buddy. Oh, I see a fish too. I just see him. Turn your music down. We're gonna head home. It's pretty late. I gotta get back before. Let's see. I've got a fish, I think, guys. Yeah, I got it. Didn't stand up. He's itty bitty. Yeah, sorry, I didn't really get a fight on him, but he's just a dink anyway. See? Yeah. These are fish bites. Early pads don't move your lure. Oh, dude. Alright, just got a 1.5 pounder. It's got hooked. I had to cut the hook off. Let him go. See you, buddy. Actually, one of the, even though I know it was tiny, it was one of the bigger ones we've got. Just got a nice little bass, probably 2, 1.5, 2. There we go. Catch 8 fish. Pretty good. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.